Frequently asked questions about FreeStyle Libre.
Hi, I'm here to share a few important tips and answer frequently asked questions on FreeStyle Libre.
Do I need a prescription to use FreeStyle Libre?
So the answer is, you don't actually need a medical prescription to purchase and use FreeStyle Libre. Should you have any further queries or questions, please feel free to consult your doctor. In fact, you can apply and replace sensors on your own. FreeStyle Libre is actually designed to be self-administered.
Are there any restrictions on using FreeStyle Libre?
FreeStyle Libre is suited for everyday wear, which means you keep wearing the sensor while taking a shower, going to the gym, or swimming. While swimming, it can be used for up to 30 minutes at a depth of up to 1 meter of water.
How do I replace my sensor?
For easy sensor removal, all you need to do is gently peel off from the arm. When applying a new sensor, choose a site other than the one you have just used. For example, try your other arm.
Do I need to measure blood glucose levels to use FreeStyle Libre?
No, you don't. The interstitial fluid-based glucose readings are a reliable indicator to measure glucose levels, so you don't need to prick your finger to monitor your glucose levels. If you think you have low glucose or suffer from hypoglycemia unawareness, use the inbuilt meter to test blood glucose.
Why is sensor glucose reading different from blood glucose reading?
Interstitial fluid glucose results can be different from blood glucose results because of the time it takes for the glucose to move from blood into the interstitial fluid from the capillaries. Glucose enters the blood first before it enters the interstitial fluid. This difference in timing is called the lag. Blood glucose and sensor glucose readings do not always match. When glucose levels are stable, expect to see small differences in blood glucose and sensor glucose readings. When glucose levels are changing rapidly, expect bigger differences in blood glucose and sensor glucose readings. With continuous glucose monitoring, the focus is not only on glucose reading at any single point in time, but also on the trend.
Who can use FreeStyle Libre? Can it be used by children?
FreeStyle Libre is recommended for people with diabetes above the age of 4. Children between the age of 4 and 12 years need supervision of an adult caregiver to manage and assist them while taking glucose readings.
Can I travel with my FreeStyle Libre?
Yes, you can. If you plan to travel by air, do put your FreeStyle Libre reader in your carry-on bag. And prior to boarding, make sure you put the reader on the power off mode. It's also safe to wear sensor while going through a metal detector. However, do keep the prescription or package insert handy if required by airport personnel.
How does the FreeStyle Libre system work?
To get a glucose reading, simply perform a quick 1-second scan of the reader over the sensor. This scan gives you more information than a blood glucose test without the need for routine finger pricks. Hope I've been able to answer some of your questions. For more information, visit our website. Now you know.